Hold on to your steering wheels, gearheads. Today's episode of Redline News Network is about to kick into high gear with an exclusive scoop that'll have your heart racing. Brace yourselves as we unveil not one but two automotive legends that are up for grabs. Yes, you heard it right. These phenomenal rides are on the market, and we've got the inside track on what could be your next prized possession. Get ready for a thrilling ride through the world of supercars, where ownership dreams become a reality. Revolutionizing the hypercar game, the Mercedes-AMG One, with lap records and adrenaline-pumping performance, is now within reach for one lucky buyer. First Motors in Dubai is putting this powerhouse on sale for a jaw-dropping $5.45 million. Imagine owning a piece of automotive history, a speed demon born from Formula One technology. This hypercar, adorned with accolades, features a 1.6-liter V6 engine with an electrically assisted turbocharger and 4 electric motors, a symphony of power culminating in 1,049 horsepower, acceleration that defies physics, 0 to 60 miles an hour in 2.9 seconds, 124 miles an hour in 7 seconds, and a top speed matching the fastest cars in the world at 219 miles an hour. The buzz around the AMG One doesn't stop at its performance. First Motors is now offering enthusiasts a chance to own an AMG One with a seemingly untouched odometer. While details on its history are scant, the allure of a virtually pristine hypercar is enough to set any car aficionado's heart pounding. And next, as we bid farewell to Jaguar's sports car era, a legendary relic emerges, the Jaguar XJ220, not making a comeback, but capturing hearts as a used vehicle up for grabs. This all-analog marvel is more than a car, it's a time capsule with a rich history. Crossing the auction block at Sotheby's Arizona 2024, this silver bullet with less than 7,000 kilometers or 4,950 miles on its odometer comes with a hefty stack of service receipts totaling over $170,000. The XJ220 underwent a comprehensive servicing in 2016, including a full engine rebuild, fuel system replacement, respray in its factory spa silver, and a retrim of the interior in smoke gray. In 2023, Jaguar Minneapolis added another $65,000 of service work using OEM parts from XJ220 specialists at Don Law Racing. This meticulous care ensures a remarkable condition, making it a collector's dream. Slated for the Sotheby's Arizona 2024 sale on January 25th, this Jaguar XJ220 is estimated to fetch as much as $600,000, a testament to its enduring allure and an opportunity for one fortunate enthusiast to own a piece of automotive history. For collectors and connoisseurs out there, what price would you be willing to pay for either of these rare marvels? Drop a comment below. And there you have it, folks, a double scoop of automotive adrenaline from the million-dollar mysteries of the Mercedes-AMG One to the time capsule allure of the Jaguar XJ220. If you've got a need for speed and enjoyed today's news, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm Haley Brooks, signing off, and until next time, keep it at Redline.